Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today we are installing a 2019 Nissan Sentra battery. You need a 10-inch millimeter to take off the bracket of this this battery, which is straight across right here in the video. Use your fingers, to slowly get those screws up. There you go. Yeah, this bracket has hooks on the side. As you see, you can just take it straight out, and we'll show you how to install it after we take off the battery. So you always want to take off the negative terminal first on any battery, which is known as the ground. And we are using a 10-inch millimeter wrench for this right here. Or you can use a socket. Now we're taking the positive off this battery, the terminal. And let's turn the cylinder clockwise as you see here in the video. And this battery comes straight up. Alright, now we're installing the new battery back into this car, which is the world's greatest battery. And if you need a battery for anything, marine, auto, golf cart, stereo system, solar, please visit our website, batteryguyswithaz.com, and check us and see exactly what we do. We actually remanufacture the world's best reconditioned battery at a fraction of the cost. So what we're doing now, we're actually putting back on the negative. The positive first. You always want to save the negative for last when installing a battery. Okay, now we got that negative terminal on. We're going to tighten that up as well. And if this is your first time visiting Battery Guys, our YouTube page, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we do upload all types of installs of equipment, of cars, golf carts, marine, boats, and everything. We also do solar as well too, so we do stereo equipment as well, installs as well too, so batteries wise. So what we're doing now, we're actually getting this bracket back on into this car. There are hooks with this bracket. There's holes on the side of this battery. You will see the holes, they basically just hook into the holes. Once you get them hooked in, then you want to kind of evenly, you want to get one side started with the other one. But it's a pain though. As you see right here, right now, Matt trying to find the hole, or trying to get it to start tightening it up. He got it. So now he's doing the other battery, the same thing. Once you get it started like that a little bit, then reach down and just hook it in. If you think if you have a friend or family that has a 2019 Nissan Sentra, please share our video to them, because you never know, they might, they really will need to install their battery, and this video will help them out a lot. Please like the video as well. But we do thank you for stopping by Battery Guys with a Z. And this is how you install a 2019 Nissan Sentra battery.